Well, tonight kicks off our Food for Bay Area Families campaign.
Look at that bright, smiling face. KPIX5's Juliet Goodrich in Berkeley with the push to help feed the hungry. Juliet?
Hi there. Yes, 'tis the season. You know, this is our 13th annual Food for Bay Area Families. We are partnering with Whole Foods, and certainly it's a time of year that is so needed in this season in our community. And Susan Bateson is joining us from the Alameda County Community Food Bank. And tell us about this year's need. We say every year it's greater than the year before, but really that's actually true.
Yeah, in America, 1 in 7 Americans are being served by a food bank. In Alameda County, 1 in 5. So we're going to need everybody's help this holiday season to really meet community need.
All right, so we've got these barrels here at Whole Foods. You can help out at Whole Foods Market throughout the Bay Area. Kristen Tanarelli with Whole Foods Market is here to tell us, how can we help?
So customers can help by donating directly into these barrels at our stores or donating to their cashier as well. So just let your cashier know how much money you'd like to donate to the Food for Bay Area Families. And I know that Susan and the Food Bank does a great job with all of those dollars as well.
Absolutely. Those dollars really stretch. Tell me about just how much a dollar can feed, you know, a family in the Bay Area.
$1 provides $6 worth of food. So if a child gives $1, it can help another child have a wonderful meal or two.
All right. Well, we're kicking off our campaign. It begins today, and our 4-Hers here. Thank you so much for your help. I know you're passing out flyers to the customers at any Whole Foods throughout the Northern California Bay Area, especially Food for Bay Area Families. We're going to have more coming up at 6 o'clock in a special check presentation. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, it's a secret amount. Back to you. Yeah, you'll like it.
Love your helpers.
Little elves there.